Welcome back to the channel. If you worked in customer service, contact center, or manage Service Cloud, you know how much time it spent navigating complex IVR phones, trays, then logging calls, details, or dealing with long hold times. Apart from this, whatever if your customers could speak directly to an AI agent, over the phone, that actually understanding the natural speech, access live CRM data, and complete tasks in real time. That's exciting what the Agentforce Voice designed for. So in this video, I will explain to you what Agentforce Voice is and how it transforms traditional call center, and we will go through the live demonstration and how we can see it handle the real-time world calls directly in Salesforce. As you can see on the screen, there is an in detail diagram as a high level how Agentforce Voice speak. So in this, the high level architecture point of view, the Agentforce, the text. So there is a multiple technology in between used before the responding the outcome responding for your voice. So after your prompt, after your voice, there will be a deepgram will be used. So deepgram is nothing but the speech to text. The framework is using STTT. So after this processing, they will that data will be processed into your OpenAI, that will be understanding your text model. After that, they'll be using your 11 labs. 11 labs technology, the platform that will be convert the text to speech, TTS. So this is the three important, the platform and technology where this Agentforce voice speaks. So whenever the user will be speak, then after that the three platform will be processed into deepgram, OpenAI, then 11 labs. After that, the Agentforce will be giving you the output response. This is nothing but the high level in process how the Agentforce voice speaks. But how we can set up these things into the Salesforce Agentforce org. So let's move on to the org. So as you can see here in your org, developer edition or your developer edition, your SDO org or sandbox or production. So make sure you have to make three permission sets: Agentforce contact center admin, then center reps, and then contact center supervision. The three is very important to enable your Agentforce voice. After this, assigning to your user, then click on the save button. After this, click on the save button, then click on your setup. After click on this setup icon, there will be a quick find, search and type voice. After voice, you're able to see the Agentforce voice setup. So in this voice setup, you able to see the multiple steps. This is nothing but the setup. The setup steps, pre-guided step we have to be in detail. As you can see here, total 7 steps you have to configure to use an Agentforce voice. So there are two types of PSTN network and SIP networks, dynamic routing. So in this video we have to configure the PSTN network. So same other thing for the SIP dynamic routing as well. So let's move on to the PSTN. So this is nothing but your PSTN. So PSTN, as you can see the below one, the prerequisite, the agent builder. So before moving forward, you if you want to be learn and internally more thing, you have to identify what is behind the scene also. So click on the learn more, you will be identify each and everything. So the PSTN is nothing but the public switch telephone network. It's mostly used for the telephony integration. So in this Agentforce voice setup, mostly use the VoIP protocol. To voice over internet protocol will be used. So as you can see here, when we have to configure this Agentforce voice setup, we have to be use a prerequisite. The first nothing but the permission set. After assigning permission set, you have to enable your Einstein setup toggle on enabled, and then that is by default on, but after that you have to enable your Agentforce agent, and you have to follow this step, 3 step. But in the below, as you can see, the two things, voice channel agent. Okay, so this voice channel agent, you have to create a new number. As you can see, I have already created. Before that, as you can see, this is number I have created. Okay, after this number you have to create it, then you able to come here, create a new channel, select, okay, the default one, and then you have to select a phone number. Then you have to select your I have already created, so only I created the one phone number as per the org. Then after the save button, as you can see, my PSTN voice enabled. I have selected the SDO Service Cloud Omni routing. This is what it is about my phone number, and then my PSTN configuration. Okay, so after this configuration, then you are that's it. You ready to go with the Agentforce Voice. Okay, to repeat once in a quick summarize. So after this permission set, we have to follow these steps. Okay, so read these steps, but in high level, we have to create the voice channel with agents. Okay, so for that we have to click on that phone number, create a new number. Okay, here after clicking new number, the multiples internal protocols will be used. Let's wait for a while. My page is loading. Yeah, as you can see, we have to select the country, and then we have to select a number. Like that, the two types, voice and SMS, we are able to use these two capabilities. After that, you select this number. Okay, after selection of this number, you're able to select, click here. That's it. Your number is generated. Okay, after this number is generated, okay, then you're able to see my number is generated. Okay, then refresh this window. Then as you can see here, my two number is generated. Okay, then after the phone number is generated, you have to click on the channels. So channel is nothing but it will be communicate with your phone number and your omni-channel script. So let's click on the new channel. Okay, then you have to select this phone number. Then you're able to see, yeah, this is not currently the option is not available because the phone number is requesting to creating. As you can see, here is not currently live. After the live, I am able to see the option here. Okay, yeah, the option will be appear here, and I'll be select my phone number, and then I'll be select this omni-channel routing. That's it for your voice channel with agent. After that, we have to configure these things into your new Agentforce script. Okay, so as you can see, this is nothing but the new Agentforce script. Directly, this Agentforce will be enabled here. For this directly enable here, we have to click on this new connection. My agent is activated currently. Okay, so we have to, my agent is activated currently. So we have to deactivate it. Okay, deactivate it. Okay, after deactivate my agent, you are able to see the connections. So here are the connections. I'm able to see the multiple 3 connections out of the box features. So in this telephone connection, you are able to see the behavior. So if you want to preview into your, so let's script into the canvas. Okay, so this telephone exchange, okay, we are able to see here, we have to set up and enable this all things. Okay, after this enable, you are ready to go to use this one. Okay, so only this we have to toggle on and off. Behavior we have to configure. You have to also select the voice, as you can see here, and then that's it, your configuration is set up. Then after that, we have to let's test our agent. Hi, how are you?
I'm here and ready to help you. What can I assist you with today?
Can you give me the recent opportunity records?
I can help with support questions or service-related issues, but I am not able to provide recent opportunity records. How can I assist you with your service needs today?
Okay, so can you find me the how I can create a record in Salesforce?
Create a new record in Salesforce. You typically need to go to the relevant section, such as Accounts, Contacts, or Cases, and select the option to add a new record. You
So
will
as you can see here, my agent is giving me the responses as you can see here. So like that, the same thing you want to do and test it your agent by clicking this icon. Okay. This is nothing but if you're able to see this icon, this is nothing but your Agentforce voice agent. That's it. After this activating your agent, you will become with your experience side and you're able to see your embedding messenger two things, embedding messaging or embedding service chat. So let's drag and drop my chats. Okay. And after that, you're able to see the agent. Okay, let's click on my embedding channel here. Okay, so as you can see my bot is enabled as you can see on the service chatbot. So like that you have to enable this chatbot, publish it directly on your experience side. That's it, your agent is configured. So like that this agent force voice agent will be configured in your service Agentforce service. Okay, the service cloud. Okay, and this is a service agent. Okay, that's why this telephone will be available here, and this is mostly used for your service agent and customer interface as well. So this is how interface we have to configure and we have to set up and how we can test. This is for your new Agentforce script we have to configure and deploy on the experience sites. Thank you.